What's the matter? Did you throw the dog ball out in the yard?
Yeah, but I can't get it.
Come on. Oh, that's a bummer.
Trippy, wait, hold on.
No, Trip. No, 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 baby, no. You wait. You wait. Really? Really? Come on, Jack. Here it is. Okay, keep it in. Yay, the ball is with the dog. You need to go change your clothes, honey.
No, got this.
Nice job.
We're good.